Thank you for calling Moxi headquarters. This is Evelyn.
Hey Evelyn, it's Shove. What are you up to?
Oh, hey, Shove. I'm actually currently installing some trucks.
Oh, cool. What trucks?
Yeah, those.
Wait, what?
Exactly.
No, what trucks?
Yeah, those ones. You've already heard of them?
What?
Yeah, exactly. Those ones.
What are you talking about?
The trucks. Yeah.
What trucks?
They're awesome. I love them. Yeah, those are exactly the ones.
I don't know, Evelyn. I'm just confused. I'll call you back later.
Okay, bye. Rude? What was that? Hi friends, in this video we're going to teach you how to install your what trucks? Let's start off by removing the stock pivot cup. I use a CIB slide block tool and a pair of long nose pliers to remove these. Your what trucks should have a pivot cup already on the arm, ready to install, just like this. We also offer a bundle package that includes magic reactor cushions if needed. If you purchase a skate setup with a sunlight plate from our website, moxiskates.com, these cushions will be the perfect fit for your kingpins. Our sunlight plates come with a kingpin just short enough to not require any kingpin shaving. Do you have a slide block on your setup? When inserting the cushions with a slide block, no top cushion cup is required. If you do not have a slide block, please add your top cushion cup like I have here on our purple sunlight plate. Time to assemble. Grab your barrel cushion first. Go ahead and slide it into the kingpin. Continue by adding the what truck. Insert the pivot arm and seat the truck over the barrel cushion. Followed by the step cushion. Next, the bottom cushion cup. Lastly, if you have a short kingpin, you might need a friend's help for this part. Press down on the bottom retainer and turn your kingpin nut until you see the end of the kingpin, just barely peeking through to make sure it's locked tight. Most kingpins are the same length as a kingpin on the left. If you install your trucks and your setup is not flush like ours, you might be required to shave down your kingpin. Some skaters might use power tools or just skate until they shave them down naturally. You can see that with the Avanti aluminum plate, the kingpin is long and will stick out past the hanger and will require shaving for a smooth grind. This sunlight plate has stock kingpins installed. As you can see, it doesn't stick out too much, but just enough where you can skate in them for a few sessions and you'll see that you'll shave them down naturally. Now it's time to head to the skate park and give these a try.